From this video we will know what's new in the version of scada 2, version 54. We implemented graphical objects for cloud. This implementation is big, so we divided this video in several parts. In the first part we describe what objects we implemented. We implemented simple objects, 3D objects, buttons and switch, and line indicators. Also, we implemented graphical objects from controls library, so you can use them in your project. In this part video we describe how we implement from Modbus devices. Also in this we implemented Arduino devices and ESP devices, ESP8266 and ESP32. In this video we describe only Modbus. So we create screen with graphical objects. We didn't implement scripts in our object, and we bind our graphical object to Modbus emulator in our case. You can use PLC if you have it. So for Modbus text we didn't implement cloud cards, we use only graphical objects. We bind this text to the registers of Modbus device, and now let's set up our cloud account. So we add username and enter password. And now we're ready to start our project in teslascada to runtime. So let's open our project. And let's run it. In the right corner you see Modbus or our Modbus emulator. So we change in our Modbus emulator text that bind to the light button, and let's change analog values that bind to the 10 register. And you can see it changed. Now let's check it on our browser. Let's enter our account. There are no text bind to our tag cards, so we can switch to the screens. Screens are uploaded from our PC. So you can see the value is changed. Now let's change LED. You can see the value of Modbus emulator is changed. You can use several controls that we use for this project: slider, combo box and switch. Also we implemented in the new version new page section. You can see all devices that bound to our cloud now. In our case it's PC server that bind to 22 tags. Device 1 it's ESP and device 2 it's Arduino devices. So in the new version you can see you can show your tags by using graphical objects of teslascada 2. In the next videos we explain how to bind Arduino to our clouds. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions do not hesitate to ask them by using our forum and email.